Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to review and install this beautiful unit from Luvme hair. I'm gonna show you guys and tell you guys everything you need to know on this wig, so make sure you stay tuned, like this video, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, today's wig is from Luvme hair, as you guys can see, and as usual the wig came with some gifts like a comb, some edges brush, a wig cap, a headband to set your edges, and some hair care instructions. Now onto the wig, guys. As you can all see, this wig is so beautiful. It is a curly highlighted wig. It's a brown wig with highlights, and I don't know if you guys can see, but the knots are like so tiny. This wig has what is called invisible knots, which means that the knots on the lace are completely seamless, which makes the wig look very natural. And it's also got 3 combs, one on each side and one at the back, and it's got an adjustable strap that you can adjust to your liking, just to make sure that your wig is secured. If you decide to wear it on glueless, then it's not gonna move, it's just gonna stay on all day. The wig also has an airy cap, which means that when you wear this wig, your scalp will be able to get some fresh air and you're gonna feel good. So guys, as you can all see, I've got a couple of cornrows under my wig cap just to keep my hair protected, and this is the wig straight out of the box. As you can all see, the curls are beautiful and I love the side part that they've added. One thing I really appreciate about this wig is the fact that it looks exactly like the picture. I've had wigs that look nothing like the picture, but this one, yes sir. So I also went ahead and tinted the lace. Here's a side by side. I used my foundation just so that the lace can look more like my skin. So when I go ahead and melt the lace, it's just gonna give scalp. You're not even gonna see that lace. So now guys, using my Got to Be Free spray, as you can all see, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that that lace is melted. So guys, using the headband that Luvme hair provided, I'm gonna go ahead and melt that lace, and using my hair wax and a hot comb, I'm gonna go ahead and flatten the root of the hair. So as you guys can see, I didn't keep the side part that they actually added on the wig. I went ahead and created my own middle part. I just felt like I wanted to go for a middle part today. Maybe another day I'll go for a side part, but I just feel like for now, for me to get used to the wig, I just kind of want to go for a middle part and see what I can do with it. So far guys, it's looking so beautiful. I'm actually in love with this wig. I love everything from the color to the lace, and the fact that I didn't even have to pluck the lace or anything or bleach the knots. I believe they've done all of that for you, and they've done a beautiful job. I love it.
Everybody go to breakfast. I think it's just meant for you. I think it's just meant for you.
So guys, while the lace is setting, I'm just gonna go ahead and style the wig. I'm not exactly sure what style to do. Right now I'm just kind of looking to see what I can do with this wig. I didn't just want to keep a middle part. I wanted to do something a little bit extra. I don't know, maybe like a half up, half down style. But guys, check out the fullness of this wig. I'm not entirely sure on the density, but I will add all the details of this exact wig I have on in the description box. But one thing about this wig, guys, is the hairline. Check out how much space you have to just style this wig, and it's just giving scalp, guys. Like, I'm just obsessed with this wig, you guys. So right now, guys, I was thinking of doing a half up, half down kind of style, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and try and do now.
Not be worried about him, yeah. Next time you know the truth, I think he's just the man for you, yeah. So brand but you marry him. Live in my life. Oh, when girl. I know holy, and I know that like the Bible.
By the way, guys, if I haven't mentioned already, I believe this lace is a 7x6 lace. Please don't come at me if I'm wrong. I will definitely leave all the details in the description box. But y'all, this lace is HD lace, and not only that, but I feel like it's a closure, but it's giving frontal. Like, who needs a frontal when you have such an amazing closure? I don't know about you guys, but when I wear closure, sometimes it gets very annoying after a couple of days, and especially on the sides. But if you have a lace like this, you don't have to worry about that part lifting, and it's just doing exactly what a frontal is supposed to be doing, in my opinion. So guys, doing this style was a little harder than I thought. I thought it was going to be a little easier since it's just a half up, half down style. But the key to this style is to ensure that everything is flat. You literally just want to make sure everything is flat. And while I was putting the elastic on, it wasn't going as flat as I expected it to go. But you know what, we moved. I was still happy with it. It still looked okay, and I still kind of achieved what I wanted anyway. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment box. And ooh, do you guys see that melt? Do you guys see how melted that lace is? Like, what lace? What lace? Lace who? Huh? Lace what? So now, guys, I am just adding some baby hair to this style, which is obviously optional. But tell me why I was not cutting this hair like baby hairs. I literally cut off like an inch and expected it to sit like baby hair, you know? Anyway, now as you guys can see, y'all, I'm adding some spray just to define the curls so that once they dry, they can go back to how they were at the beginning of this video. So guys, that is the hair all done. I love the style, and guys, the wig is a bit wet right now, but wait till it dries up. You guys will see I will insert a clip. But the lace is beautiful, it's nicely melted, I love it. And don't forget, with my code Marie-R, you can get 28% off this wig and also every other unit on Luvme hair. So guys, this is the wig all dried up. It's actually a different day, and as you guys can see, I did a side part which I thought was absolutely beautiful. But guys, follow me on my Instagram so that you get to see all the behind the scenes and all that good stuff, all my pictures. And make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.